Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fairfield, local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to local moves in Fairfield, 3 Movers has got it down for a science. Our well-coordinated moving process ensures a hassle-free experience for our clients. Here's how we make it happen: planning, expert packing, familiarity with streets, and efficient loading and unloading. Having in-depth knowledge of Fairfield grants us a unique advantage as a moving company. We can also take the most efficient routes, plan for potential challenges in advance, and offer insider tips to make your move smoother. When it comes to long-distance moves, our Fairfield long-distance 3 Movers goes the extra mile to ensure a seamless and stress-free journey for our clients. Here's how we can make it happen: detailed planning, specialized packing, trained moving crew, and continuous communication and best pricing. Rest assured, our Fairfield movers will treat your belongings as if they were our own, ensuring they reach your new destination safely and on time. Let us take the weight off your shoulders and make your long-distance move a breeze. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.